tell me again what you do.
What? Oh, like this. You like when you're wheeling, you put a little bit down. So you like when it's down, you can catch a fish. But when it's up, the hook can't catch it. The hook is not like down in the water enough. So you need to get it a little bit down in the water, a little. Now, so like when you set the hook, you need to be patient. You need to wheel it in like when it's like right there close to you, then set the hook. Because then if you set the hook too late, it's gonna get off. But if you set the hook wide, I'm listening to teach you one. Okay. Got one.
We got one? We got one.